Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, contributing editor for Desktop Engineering magazine. One of the news items that came out in June from PTC User Wall event nearly got lost in the shuffle. I don't think it got the attention it deserves, so I'm doing my part to correct it. It's about Knovel, an online engineering resource portal introducing something for PTC Mathcad users. We'll get to Mathcad in a few minutes, but let's first have a closer look at Knovel. What Knovel offers is a comprehensive selection of engineering reference titles, like Rourke's Formulas for Stress and Strain, or Tyler Hicks' Handbook of Civil Engineering Calculations. No, not Taylor Hicks. That's the winner of American Idol Season 5. We're talking about Tyler G. Hicks, the editor of McGraw-Hill's Standard Handbook of Engineering Calculations. At any rate, when you search for a topic, for instance, plastic or stress and strain, you don't just get a list of titles. You get the list and the different sections where the topic is discussed, along with interactive spreadsheets and tables and formulas. I happen to think the search results are more targeted, especially for engineers and scientists, so you won't have to wade through irrelevant hits that you might get from searching for the same item in, say, Google or on Amazon.com. But if you're not quite sure about what you're looking for, you can also browse by subjects. Now let's turn for a moment to Mathcad Integration, which Knovel begins offering in June. Now when your search results come back, it includes something called Knovel Math. That indicates an equation that can be downloaded and exported to PTC's Mathcad software-based calculation environment. I'll let Sandy Jong, PTC's Director of Product Marketing for Pro Engineer and Mathcad, talk about that.
What's really unique about what they're offering is that it's also interactive. So if you pay to have the subscription, you can take graphs that would just be static images, either in a textbook or even online, and you can actually pick points on that graph and spit out data. So you can port data outside the graph, recreate it without actually having to manually translate the data. So that's new and exciting. I haven't seen that before in a content provider. And then the integration with Mathcad is also really exciting. So again, you're taking exactly a content that you would see within an engineering handbook or manual, and you're translating those directly into Mathcad worksheets. And once they're inside a Mathcad worksheet, you can use that as a reference equation.
And here's Knovel's Director of Marketing, Ross Graber.
PTC has had engineering libraries with Mathcad for some time, but they're based on older versions of the reference books. And what we've done is we've taken the latest versions of these books and we put expanded content in them in addition. And we will continue to add content in these subject areas and also introduce new subject areas going forward.
Knovel happens to have a fan page on Facebook, so if you are there, you can join it too. By the way, you can also connect with me on Facebook to keep up to date with the projects I'm working on. Find me through the link to my profile from my blog. So, just out of curiosity, I did a search for myself on Microsoft's Bing. I think it works pretty well. Till next time, this is Kenneth Wong for Desktop Engineering, now officially indexed on Microsoft's Bing.